Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Yarnell Bradshaw, and I'm going to talk to you about creating artifacts for instruction in social studies. So artifacts are a wonderful way to engage students in the topics that we're looking at, but they're not always easy to come by. So when we think about artifacts, we think about, things from faraway lands and stuff like that, but we can create our own as well. Pipe cleaner artifacts is a great tool to have students create an artifact that can connect to the content. So maybe you want your students to create an artifact that might have been used by Gandhi. So maybe they make a pencil for him writing his speeches, or a spinning machine, or for creating homespun, or a sandal for his salt march that he took. And another thing you could do is to use them to create or to represent government systems, make pipe cleaners into people, buildings, etc. You could even do environmental issues in China. So maybe make a smokestack, a river, somehow represent air pollution. I've had students make like kind of clouds of smoke coming from factories. And all of these are, again, making those tangible items that students can interpret and make connections to, and you don't have to travel around the world to get them. Another thing that's really popular and fun is using colorful clay to create artifacts. And I think that this works really great for mini museums. So having students create an artifact, and then students can do a tiny gallery walk and observe and reflect on how the artifact might be connected to the topic. So I will see you guys next time. Keep calm and love social studies. Bye-bye.